Are you ready to make money from your phone? Maybe you're like me and you're sick and tired of being on the hamster wheel, doing the same thing over and over. You're burnt out at your job. You're in your 50s and you're just like, man, I cannot spend the next 15 to 20 years doing the same thing that I've been doing for the last 25 years. Well, I'm here to let you know, I started a side hustle that has literally changed my life. Last year in 2023, I made $50,000 by sharing what I know, by educating people on how they can make money online. So if you are ready to learn how to make money from your phone, anywhere, I don't care if you're on the beach, I don't care if you're at your kid's ball game, I don't care where you are. That's all you have to do is take action. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to know everything. You don't have to know how to make these videos. We even have a course or a module inside that course that will show you how to do this faceless. That's all you have to do is take action, go through the course, get educated, apply what you learn, and I'm telling you, you will start making money from your phone. Now, is that going to be in 2 weeks? You're going to make $20,000? Probably not. But I can tell you, if you take 2 weeks to set up the foundation to your business and you apply everything that you learn inside the course, you are going to learn how to make $500 a month. That can turn into $1,000 a month. That then can turn into $5,000 a month, and then you scale your business. This is life-changing. You can now learn how to make money from your phone. Monetize your social media. Don't stay stuck where you are. Don't think that you're not good enough. I had no experience, no followers, but I did have the desire to change my life. If you are ready to take action, I'm going to show you everything step by step on what you need to do to change your life. Make sure you save this video, share this video, because I'm sure there's other people just like us who are just sick and tired of doing the same thing over and over. You're sick and tired of going to that job, being stressed out, being burnt out, living paycheck to paycheck because everything's so damn expensive. Share this video. Save this video for yourself so you can come back to it. So when you are ready to start, I am going to be here for you, waiting for you to learn how to make money from your phone so you can live the life you deserve.